Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Samsung Galaxy A54. To do this, you need to open your Google Play Store and now download app called Notify Buddy. I'm gonna uninstall it for this process. When it's ready, click on the open. Move to the next step and grant 3 permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, and you don't need to disable it. Let's proceed. From here you can start using the app, so you can find 4 different tabs. There's a user, system, active, and the settings. In user you can pick any apps for the custom LED lamp notifications. In system there's all system bound apps. In active there's all apps that you've just activated. And here in the settings you can customize this LED lamp with a different size, shape, or placement on the screen, even the color. Let's click on the test button, and right here we can find the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.